Good morning, dear students. Welcome to new session of your science class. In previous session, we learned physical properties of metals and non-metals. In today's session, we will learn chemical properties of metals. So, I'm starting with the first property, which is reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals form their oxides when they react with oxygen. This reaction is known as burning reaction. Yes, when metal reacts with oxygen, they burn with colorful flame and they form metal oxide. Like potassium burn with oxygen and gives purple flame. Sodium burns with oxygen and gives yellow flame. Lithium burns with oxygen and gives reddish flame, and copper burns with oxygen and gives green flame. These metal oxides are basic in nature because they turns red litmus paper into blue. Now we will study some examples of reaction of metals with oxygen. The first is reaction of iron metal with oxygen. And when iron reacts with moisture, yes, with oxygen, it forms iron oxide, which is known as rust. Yes, articles made up of iron, such as grills, fencing, get rusted because of reaction with moisture. Rust is reddish brown in color, and this iron oxide is also basic in nature because it turns red litmus paper into blue. The second example is reaction of magnesium metal with oxygen. When magnesium is burnt in air, it forms magnesium oxide. Burning in air means reaction with oxygen. Solution of magnesium oxide turns red litmus paper into blue. This means magnesium oxide is also basic in nature. Some metal oxides show acidic and basic property. They are called amphoteric oxides. Yes, aluminum oxide and zinc oxides are amphoteric oxides. The second chemical property of metals is reaction of metals with water. Generally, metals form respective hydroxide when they react with water. Yes, when metal reacts with water, it forms metal hydroxide, and these metal hydroxides are also basic in nature because it turns red litmus paper into blue. Sodium metal vigorously reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide along with lot of heat. Also, potassium metal vigorously reacts with water and forms potassium hydroxide along with lot of heat. Students, the question is generally asked as why sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Yes, potassium and sodium are very reactive metals. They vigorously react with water and air. They catch fire if exposed to air. Thus, they are stored in kerosene, which does not allow any reaction. The third property is reaction of metals with dilute acid. Yes, metals gives hydrogen gas when they react with dilute acid. Yes, when metal reacts with acid, it forms metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Yes, reaction of magnesium with dilute hydrochloric acid is magnesium plus hydrochloric acid means 2HCl gives MgCl2 means magnesium chloride, and the hydrogen gas is evolved. Zinc gives hydrogen gas along with zinc chloride when it reacts with hydrochloric acid. Yes, zinc plus 2HCl means hydrochloric acid gives ZnCl2 means zinc chloride, and the hydrogen gas is evolved. Similarly, zinc gives hydrogen gas along with zinc sulfate when it reacts with sulfuric acid. Yes, zinc means Zn plus H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. It gives ZnSO4 means zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is evolved. This method is used to produce hydrogen gas in laboratory. So, how can we detect the hydrogen gas is produced or not? Yes, when the production is in process, the ignited candle is kept near the test tube, and when the hydrogen gas is produced, the pop sound is generated. So, students, you all must have enjoyed today's session. Yes, we will study more about metals and non-metals in our next session. So, till then, goodbye.